Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video here on how to save you some time and money. My advice is don't replace your ABS wheel speed sensor. My best advice for you guys is to replace your entire wheel bearing whenever your ABS light comes on, because I've replaced 3 wheel speed sensors, and every time I do, it lasts about a week, and then I go off-roading and something inside the bearing is grinding a hole through the tip of this sensor, and then the ABS light comes back on. See how there's a hole in the top? So if you have a hole in the top of yours like that, I recommend not putting a new one, because it's only going to last a little while until you hit a bump off-road. Then it's going to puncture another hole, and it ruins the magnet, I guess, because the ABS light came back on for the 3rd time, and this one was $100 at AutoZone, and it's already bad. And this whole bearing with the new sensor is $200, so I'm about to go get a new one. And yeah, the bearing is definitely bad, because whenever I spin it, it feels really crunchy, and it sticks right there. And you can tell when it's bad. It has a really crunchy feel, and it hangs up like really bad. So I have about 120,000 miles on this truck now, and I've already replaced the other wheel bearing, and I'm gonna go do this one right now. So do not replace your ABS speed sensor. Replace your entire bearing. Save you a ton of time and money. It's super easy to take the wheel bearing off too. So take care, guys. It really doesn't wear out. It just gets damaged from wear on the gears on the inside of the wheel bearing, and that wear probably melts the contact in here or whatever is inside of this from the heat. So that's my opinion, that they shouldn't even sell these. They should just sell you the entire wheel bearing. This is not really a high wear part, so I'm a little disappointed that I've been told that this is the part you're supposed to replace, and it should have been the wheel bearing from the beginning. So there it is, new bearing. Factory sealed, good as new. Just need to bolt it on. Nice and fresh.